Hi, how many times have you guys ever tried to plan a trip with you by yourself, or you and your wife, or you and kids, you and friends, and it's just super stressful trying to get everyone together on the same flight, find a hotel, get a rental car, plan where you're going, and like trying to decide what websites are going to have the best prices for you every single time. It's almost impossible, it seems like. I know every time I've ever traveled, it's just so complicated because the second you buy your flights, it seems to be, oh, look, now there's a discounted price that I could have got at another website, or that I could have got somewhere else, or if I would have used Google Flights, or if I would have used this app, or if I would have used this. It's just constantly changing all of the time. And it just makes it so difficult to use. So what I'm coming up with is a trip planner AI. So as you see, it's like I was saying, like it's just so complicated to try and travel. The trip planner AI is designed to help you make your travels all in one place. You go into the app, you tell the app, "Hey, I'm planning to travel to here at this time. I'm taking me, my wife, and my two kids," and you can put in their age groups so that way it decides for child flights and everything else like that. And then you just upload the amount of people, the location you're going to, if you need a rental car, and you put in the dates. And then there's also will be an additional part of the app that you can put in what your budget restraints are, and the app itself will generate and find best flights and constantly update them to where they will not purchase a flight until you say yes, and it will constantly search every day, day and night, because it's AI, so it doesn't need to sleep. It's just going to keep on working at this for you at all times, searching all sorts of different websites and processes to find what is going to be best for you and your family and to work with your budget. The technologies that will be used will be open AI sources, so this way that it is just being able to scour the web at all times to find everything you need. I built this program using just basic Android Studio right now, and using OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Soar and Dale E to be able to kind of build all this together and make it a fun and easily accessible app and functional for the everyday person that travels. Because I know a lot of people don't travel because they're like, oh, it's just so difficult to get online, find the websites, use it, use this, use that, and this just puts it all in one, just as if going on an app to use for anything else that you do in your daily lives, right? So it's using web scraping box, it's finding recommendations for engines, different search engines. It's using natural language processing systems to understand the type of users that will be using it, so that way it will be bilingual, it will be able to translate and just basically do everything that you need it to do all in the palm of your hand. The automated systems will just, like it says, they're automated systems, right? They will come in and they will find your flight, they will find your rental car, they will find your rental, Airbnb, or any of the other rental sites, or if you want to stay in hotels. All of it will be right there, built into the app, so that way it's just ready to go as it goes. The key benefits: it's stress-free planning, personalized trips, so you can add in multiple locations, multiple stops, real-time savings and deals. Like it's just all at your fingertips, ready to go at any given time. Takes down the painful and stressful process of having to wake up every single morning, recheck flights, re-go through uploading the travel dates, the travel times, how many people, where you're going, and you have to do that for every single step of your trip that you're planning. Because you can't plan a hotel without getting your flights. You can't plan a rental car without getting your flights. Flights are changing constantly every single day, so the app will have a buffer in there to be like, this is the best time to buy the tickets, and will help you step through that purchasing process, and it will help you budget to make sure that you're planning on saving enough to have at the time to buy the tickets. Here's a quick little example of just something that, I came up with of like shows just how easy it is to use this on your phone and make this real life. I know a lot of people are already using AI for project building, for planning grocery trips, and everything else like that. So I'm like, why not take this the next step further and have AI help us plan our trips and plan our vacations? Because AI is already coming in and helping making life way less stressful. And just, I mean, if the technology's there, why wouldn't we use it? When they made the wheel, people didn't shut it down and not use the wheel. We used it because it's functional, it's practical, and it helps our day-to-day lives. I'll have to say thank you, and I hope whoever sees this video is intrigued and would want to invest in an idea like this. And it's just great, great way to be using AI to help our families live our dreams and enjoy our life and just take in everything that we can all at one time. Thank you and have a great day.